ang magpapasimula para sa dalawang koponan na maglalaban sa ating first game sa Bayan ng Superstars. Barangay Ginebra laban sa Batang Red Bull. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. What a crowd sa loob ng Big Dome. And alam mo, Kinito, we're also very excited sa ating panel, sa ating coverage, because with our new partners, of course, ang Viva, definitely our coverage will be exciting, reinvigorated, and talagang saksakan ng daming sorpresa.
Partner, siguro pwede natin sabihin, bigger and better than ever before. Ang ating partnership, vintage with Viva, and the new group that is backing up the television coverage sa palagay ko. This is going to be a season to watch.
Indeed, sa 25th year of the PBA, Coach Yang Giao, bagong ahit, and naitawag na po ang unit ng Batang Red Bull. Samantala, ito i-announce naman ang unang magpapasimula naman para sa panig ng Barangay Ginebra. When you talk about these two teams, certainly, you know, you're talking about two teams na gigil, Kinito, na makapaglaro at magpakita na kaya nilang lumaban dito sa 25th.
O partner, ito na yung starting five na pinapakilala ng Barangay Ginebra. And I want to make a point here. Merong isang familiar face sa bangko ng Barangay Ginebra, and that's Ron Jacobs.
There he is.
The coaching consultant, formerly of San Miguel Beer, is now going to sit as a team official of Barangay Ginebra.
Yes.
Kanya palagay ko, that is a start of things to come.
And our starting five is brought to you by QuickTite, the all-in-one glue. Yan po ang unit for Barangay Ginebra and Batang Red Bull. And right away, Crisano and Harp together, Raimundo and Limpot together. Samantala si Ato Agustin na magpapasimula sa guardia para sa Batang Red Bull. As the ceremonial toss is done by Chairman Uy Teng Su of the PBA, together with, of course, Commissioner June Bernardino, and we're just about ready to go.
Oh, partner, so much has been written and so much has been said about Kirby Raimundo. No? Napakagaling niyang player. He was the MVP in the NCAA, steered Letran to the championship. But this is going to be his baptism of fire in the pros. Gaano ba kagaling ito si Kirby Raimundo? Palagay ko, makikita natin in this game.
A lot of people have said that he is good. He is absolutely good. Well, this guy is one of the youngest na umakyat sa PBA, mga kaibigan. So, give him time, Kirby Raimundo. But, well, he's a player to watch out for. The toss and the tap won by Batang Red Bull. Agustin, na pinag-usapan din natin yan ni Coach Yang Giao, Kinito, and he said that Ato Agustin is in tip-top shape, maybe in the best shape of his life since he won the MVP back in 1992.
Exactly, partner. At ang ibibigay ni Agustin dito, partner, is his leadership and his experience. Ito, bukas na bukas, yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra sa loob. Devon Harp, easy 2 points, not challenged.
That's one other thing about Raimundo. He can certainly pass. He watched, he looked for the open man. Nakita niya si Von Harp. And Harp delivering the first 2 points of the 2000 season. Limpot sa kanto. Wala. Harp controls.
Ito, tumatakbo yung Batang Red Bull. At saka si Harp ang nagdadala ng bola.
At sabi ni Glenn Capasio, dahan-dahanin natin yan. That's what the veterans bring to this team. Here's Kirby.
Partner, interesting ang ating matchup natin. No? It's not Crisano and Harp, but Crisano and Kirby Raimundo. Kita mo naman ang galaw ni Kirby Raimundo. Nice twirl. Foul on Crisano.
Foul number 43,
move in Alex Crisano, who transferred from the NBA sa Bayan ng Superstars, picks up his first foul.
Kamukha ni Chito Lizagay ko si Alex Crisano.
Okay, yung headband pa niya. Brings the tradition back.
Kaibigan natin si Chito.
Of course, si Joey Loizaga still playing for Alaska Milk. Here's Ato Agustin, a double team. Inilabas. Valenzuela goes inside. Missing that one.
Maganda yung help defense na ginawa ni June Limpot that time. He didn't play good defense against Harp. The last time out, kanya medyo redeeming defense yung pinakita ni June Limpot that time.
Samantala sa Barangay Ginebra, nabanggit natin, Val David has been playing exceptionally well, especially in the preseason. Rebound by Harp off a Lago miss. Here's June T. Valenzuela. Kakaproblema, libre si Agustin. Wala. Tapik. Handled last by Barangay Ginebra.
Devon Harp, partner, has been dominating the boards. At si Alex Crisano's got his work cut out for him. Ito, si Crisano now is on Harp. So makikita na natin yung matchup, Raimundo versus Jun Limpot.
Yes. Glenn Capasio from Palo Leyte. Playing in his 13th season. Here's Glenn, cutting in, goes up, sapal. Ni Jun Limpot, no foul.
Partner, yan ang tinatawag natin na open and shut case. Binukas nila yung lane for the drive-in by Glenn Capasio, pero nando naman yung mamalalaki ng Barangay Ginebra to shut the door on Capasio.
Meneses, unang tira. In and out. Wala pa rin puntos ang Barangay Ginebra. 9.5 remaining sa unang yugto. Opening game ng Bayan ng Superstars. Libre si Glenn from the corner. In and out. And the ball tap. Saved by Baldavid.
Both teams getting good looks, partner, from the outside, but I think they need to settle down. Alam mo, iba din kung opening game sa ating silver anniversary season.
Alam mo, kahit saan, basta pagpapasimula, may konting kalawang, may konting higil. That shot has been nullified. Prior to that one, nagkaroon ng foul laban kay Glenn Capasio, and Capasio will
Foul
pick up
number
his
12,
first
Glenn
foul.
Capasio, his first foul.
Batang
First
Red Bull.
team
Mga
foul,
partner,
Batang
kung
Red
titignan natin
Bull.
itong lineup ng Barangay Ginebra on the floor, they've got so many offensive options. Vergel Meneses can take the ball strong from the outside. He can post up. Nandiyan din si Pal David who can penetrate and kick out as he did kanina to Jun Limpot. Yung nga lang, hindi pumasok yung tira from the baseline by Jun Limpot.
Jun Limpot, proud of Surigao. Gives it to Pal David.
Ito, pumuposto si Vergel Meneses looking for the ball. Maganda rin ang depensa ng Batang Red Bull. 4 seconds to go. So gotta take the shot.
Limpot faking. Raimundo goes up. Short on that one.
Walang masyadong movement sa offense ng Barangay Ginebra. They've got to get more movement.
Here's the bang-bang matchup. Harp goes up with a left hand and he will draw the foul. His second foul. Laban kay Alex Crisano.
Dalawa na yun, partner. Well,
Foul number 40,
very early adjustment. Kung nakita ni
his
Coach
second
Alan
foul,
Caidic na hindi
second
kaya
foul,
ni
Barangay
Von
Ginebra.
Harp, who's been dominating underneath both boards. He
At the
assigned
line, shooting for two,
Malacanang si Crisano
Devon
on Harp, but now Crisano has had to pay the price. 2 personal fouls now on the Filipino-Italian.
Devon Harp, ang kanyang mga numbers back in their PBL season last year, 11.7 points per game, which was 8th best in the league. And 12.3 rebounds per game. That was the best sa PBL.
Ang balita natin ito si Devon Harp came to the East Coast. Rekomendado siya ni Sam Onera. And Harp comes from that general Pennsylvania area where Sam Onera has an interest in the USBL team. The Pennsylvania Valley Dogs at Devon Harp missing everything.
Everything. And Devon Harp was clapping away. Oh, that's something that, well, comes to every player. Yung most embarrassing moment.
Alam mo, partner, I think he will come back from that with renewed vigor. Kanya, pag magtataka itong Barangay Ginebra kung biglang bumulusok ito si Devon Harp. So watch out for him.
Well, at least that's an early chink in his armor. Na nakikita natin, Limpot is open and he gets the first 2 points of Barangay Ginebra.
Again, the pass coming from Vergel Meneses. Meneses, one of the league's best passers, partner, no? His assist average over 5 a game. Kanya, alam natin ito si Vergel Meneses, double barrel ang kanyang offensive threat. He can pass and he can score.
Certain point in his career, he led the league in assists the entire season. Samantala, this guy led the league entirely back in 1992 with an MVP.
Partner, nice scoop shot by Ato Agustin. Yung depensa, hindi siya sinundan. And you've got to be able to chase down a player who knows how to curl like Ato Agustin.
Bagong pasok si Will Marong, pinultan na niya si Alex Crisano who picked up 2 early fouls. Samantala, unang tira ng The Flash, wala.
Napapansin natin, partner, kulang na kulang sa rebounding strength itong Barangay Ginebra. They cannot get second attempts at the basket.
So far, Harp has done a marvelous job.
Excellent job, partner.
3 defensive rebounds for Von Harp.
Ito si Junti Valenzuela, isa sa mga na-elevate ng Red Bull. Here's Raimundo against Limpot, and Harp is fouled on the way in.
You know, I really admire the way Raimundo moves. He has quickness and he has dribbling ability. Kinito so far, pinapakita niya na may galaw ito sa poste.
Well, and sabi nga ni Coach Yengia, no, he's a sort of player who can do it all. No? He's got nice size, meron siyang dribbling ability, nakaka-score from outside. He can play the power forward position. At sabi niya, siya siguro ang bagong Danny Ildefonso.
Kaya naman, miski anong ika nga hiling ng ibang mga koponan na kunin itong si Raimundo as you see Valenzuela getting inside. Great move on the rookie Junthi Valenzuela.
Well, in that situation, partner, yung mga malalaki ng Barangay Ginebra, binabantayan nila yung dalawang malalaki ng Red Bull. Kanya na bukas yung gitna. And Valenzuela coming straight in for the shot.
6-2 is our score. Abante po ang Batang Red Bull. Sabi ko nga, ito si Raimundo, miski anong hiling, miski na Santa Lucia to trade. Eh, ayaw nilang ibigay si Raimundo. What a move from the main man. The big deal.
Ito sinasabi natin, June Limpot, hindi magpapatalo yan, partner, no? Not to a rookie.
Alam mo, isang beses ko lang nakita yung galaw na yon. Si Hakeem Olajuwon, ginawa na yon isang beses. O maraming beses sa NBA. But Limpot showing a thing or two now. Here's Devon Harp, banging, goes up, short stab. And there's gonna be a foul. Laban kay Harp.
At partner, bagsak si June Limpot. But yes, a loose ball foul at Devon Harp. Good defense, good stand-up defense by June Limpot, partner.
We'll talk about June Limpot. He has been, of course, the main talk during the offseason. His transfer, a blockbuster trade. Watch this move. Easy does it for the main man.
Partner, pero si Olajuwon, ginagawa niyan without the use of the glass.
Oo.
Pero si June Limpot, gumamit siya ng banda. Oh,
Tira.
that's a foul.
Hammered.
He was hammered and he was brought down, pero walang tawag yung referee. Here we go again with Batang Red Bull.
Agustin, tinatauhan ni Bal David. Muy, masyado malakas. Air ball, picked up by Limpot.
Kita natin itong Barangay Ginebra, partner. Hindi sila tumatakbo, no? They want to set it up. They've got a lot of offensive options. At nagdadala ng bola ngayon si Vergel Meneses.
At yun yata ang estilo din na dinadala ni Ron Jacobs dito sa koponan na to, Kinito. Yung slow down. Alam naman natin nung nagko-coach sa San Miguel, they really seldom took the fast break.
O partner, depende din kung sino ang personal na nasa loob. No, Vergel Meneses, for instance, is a great player who can break down any sort of half-court defense, no, with his one-on-one ability. Kaya palagay ko na kung nandun si Vergel Meneses, wala naman silang opportunity to score in the open court. They will go to the half-court set.
And we will take a break. Babalik po tayo sa Bayan ng Superstars. Nothing can pack him like the PBA. And today, well, ito na naman kami. Opening day sa Bayan ng Superstars, 25th year, silver anniversary season ng inyong liga.
Alam mo, partner, pwede natin sabihin itong Araneta Coliseum is like an NBA arena.
Oh yes.
State of the art ito, partner, and what a fine tribute to the owner and the management team behind the Araneta Coliseum. No? Ang kanilang refurbishing program, I understand, cost initially 200 million pesos, and this is still in the process of still being refurbished.
Wow. A lot of money, and that's why it shows. Devon Harp with the left hand. And Harp now has a total of 4 points in the game. Abante pa rin ang Batang Red Bull ng 2, 8-6.
But partner, kung papansinin natin ang mga galaw ni Devon Harp, he's a player who cannot only post up, but also can attack the basket
Yes,
from the outside.
that's
No?
right.
Facing the basket, kanya medyo mahirap pa depensahan itong post-up player na to. No?
And you notice he likes to use the left hand. Oh, nice pass! Magtulis missing that one. Ronald Magtulis, who checked in kanina para kay Vergel Meneses. Had an easy layup. The rookie missing off a pass by Limpot. Tira ni Capasio. Sablay.
Wide open shot by Glenn Capasio, partner in the pros. You cannot afford to miss open shots like those.
Especially kung ang pwesto mo yung shooting guard.
Oo.
Here's Magtulis. Also a draftee by Barangay Ginebra. Natapik ni Junthi Valenzuela yung bola mula kay Elmer Lago. Lago, most improved player last year.
3 seconds na lang, hindi yata nila alam.
Second to
Ito yung
shoot.
tira.
Wilmer wrong, and that doesn't touch the ring. So magkakaroon tayo ng unang 24-second shot clock violation laban sa Barangay Ginebra. And now we see the first appearance of Jimwell Torion.
Partner Ron Jacobs of Barangay Ginebra nagre-react dun sa nangyari doon, no? Because his players did not get the right kind of movement to get off a shot within 24 seconds, partner. No?
Oh,
And that's the second time actually it happened. The first time, hindi sila nag 24-second violation, but he took a hurried shot towards the end of the 24-second clock. Ito na si Torion. Ito na yung sinasabi natin.
Torion
versus
goes up,
Valdavid.
goes up. Oh, yes, sorry!
Ito na, first shot, first basket.
What a move! Parang ipo-ipo. Jimwell Torion introducing himself to the flash. Sabi niya, mabilis din ako, partner. Here's David going up. Hindi kayo magpahiya. Yes!
Ito ang sinasabi natin, yung mga veterano ng Barangay Ginebra, hindi sila magpapatayo, talo. Kanina si June Limpot, pinakitaan niya si Kirby Raimundo. Ito naman si Bal David. Pinapakilaan niya si Jimwell Torion.
Jimwell Torion ranked number 1 pagdating sa assist sa PBL. Samantala nagkaroon ng
There will be an offensive
foul. Illegal pick laban kay Kirby Raimundo on that particular play. That will be the first foul on Kirby Raimundo.
Pero parte ng bilis itong Torion, ha?
Watch it. Pinag-uusapan ng mabilis. Look at the spin. Ang Ipo-Ipo going up even against the big man off the glass.
He's got wings on his feet. Yan po si Jimwell Torion.
And Torion getting his name on the scoreboard. 10-8. Abante pa rin ang Batang Red Bull ng dalawa. 2:43 remaining sa unang nito.
Partner, Barangay Ginebra taking too long to set the table. Here's the shot again. They take the shot with just 2 or 1 second left on the shot clock.
And there's going to be a loose ball foul here. Laban kay Junti Valenzuela. On that drive by Baldavid. Nagkaroon ng scramble. And the action has picked up and we're just in the first quarter. Barangay Ginebra trails by 2 sa Batang Red Bull. Tuloy po isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat mga kaibigan. Noli Iyala po kasama si Quinito Henson. Opening day ng Bayan ng Superstars at sa kasalukuyan, abante pa rin ang Batang Red Bull ng dalawa. 10-8 laban sa Barangay Ginebra.
Mga partner, binalik ni Coach Alan Gaydic si Vergel Meneses. So now he's going to be teaming up with Magtulis. Kanina nakita natin si Magtulis ang pumalit kay Vergel Meneses.
At iniupo niya si Baldavid. So this is a big lineup. Lusot si Meneses. Oh! Reverse! Yan ang galaw.
Yes, at sabi ni Vergel Meneses, introducing myself to, sino ba yun? Si Valenzuela yata?
Valenzuela.
Okay.
Sabi niya, my name is Vergel Meneses. I am a former PBA MVP. If you don't know yet, Devon Harp laban kay Jun Limpot. He has been a force in the paint. Toroyan is blocked by Jun Limpot. And that is a prime candidate sa ating Super Volcasil Tapal King.
Partner, dito sa ating first quarter, marami nang pinapakita si Jun Limpot. Good rebounding, good defense, good scoring. Kita ko naman ang crossover ni Vergel Meneses and there will be a foul.
That will be a foul against Valenzuela. Pangalawang foul yan ni Junti Valenzuela. You know, one thing about Torion, and sinabi rin nito sa atin ni Coach Yeng Giao, sometimes he plays out of control and that's why kailangan siyang parang rendahan ng mga veterano katulad ni Ato Agustin.
Alam mo partner, ang ginawa naman ng coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra, nakita nila ito si Baldavid who started the game. Medyo pagod na ng konti, no? Kanya medyo pinapakitaan siya ni Torion. But now, ang kalaban ni Torion ay mas malaki sa kanya. And it's going to be Elmer Lago. Kanya magandang coaching adjustment ang ginawa ng Barangay Ginebra.
At maganda rin ang adjustment pagdating sa opensa. Magtulis, cutting inside, getting the open shot. Devon Harp gives it to Raimundo. Libre si Agustin, pansamantala. Tumira sa labas. Yes, sir. Stepped on the line, though, for 2 points. And that's the 4th deadlock of the game. Tabla po tayo sa 12-all with 1 minute and 12 remaining in the first quarter.
Partner, nandiyan pa rin ang kamay.
Oh,
ni Ato
yes.
Agustin. We've got 2 MVPs here on the floor and there will be a foul on Harp. Coming from behind.
Pangalawang foul yan ni Harp.
Tama din yung ginagawa ni Jun Limpot, partner. He's posting up high to move Devon Harp away from the shaded area.
Si Devon Harp parang si Ali Peak. Parang walang medyas doon sa kanyang paglalaro, no? Of course, si Ali Peak has that trademark. Parang si Iron Mike Tyson. Samantala, Jun Limpot, the pride of Surigao, former Green Archer from De La Salle.
At nasa penalty na itong Batang Red Bull, while Barangay Ginebra only with 3 team fouls.
Medyo bumaba ang scoring ni Jun Limpot last year. Average 15.5 points per game, only the 10th best among the locals and a career low para sa kanya. Only 7.3 rebounds per game and 1.9 assists. Of course, he was traded this year mula sa Santa Lucia patungo sa Barangay Ginebra para kay Marlo Aquino. And well, so far, the main man, the big deal, has delivered for the Kings. 8 points in the game for Jun Limpot. A 2-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Happy to have you with us, Philippines. Torion, again, out of control. Almost lost that ball. It will remain with them. However, you know, one thing about Torion, bagamat he was the best in assists PBL, he was also the worst in the league pagdating sa turnovers per game. He had 4.9 turnovers kada laro.
Well, sabi nga sa atin ni Coach Yeng Guiano, he wants Agustin to be there inside the court with Torion to stabilize his game, no?
Nice move. Agustin drops it off. Raimundo, wala. The tap, hinabol niya to. Dignadis is back in the game now. Agustin with a looper and he has 4 points in the first quarter. Agustin showing his magical hands early in this game. And the former MVP from Pampanga gives another deadlock at 14. Dignadise, binigay kay Meneses. Wala, rebound, and that'll be a loose ball foul. Laban kay Ato Agustin.
Maganda yung positioning ni Wilmer Ong. Partner, nasa penalty na ang Batang Red Bulls. So again, shooting situation here for Barangay Ginebra. Kanina
Unang foul yan ni
nabanggit mo nga
Agustin,
ito si
yes.
Jim Maltorion. Very speedy player pero still needs a little bit of maturity but definitely an exciting prospect.
Oh yes, at si Yeng Yao, nakikita niya ang prospect nitong batang ito. Of course, si Yeng Yao, another comeback story with 18.1 seconds remaining. 3 years na nagbakasyon ito si Yeng Yao from coaching. Of course, joined our panel, still remains with us in the Viva Vintage Sports panel. But is so happy to be back coaching in the PBA.
And it's so nice to see him back, partner. Alam naman natin ito si Coach Yeng Yao has won 2 championships.
Sabi ko sa kanya, he's like Larry Brown ng Philadelphia 76ers, even si Pat Riley, na gustong-gusto yung mga teams na mga, well, bata, mga bago. Yan ang kanilang gustong-gustuin. Again, another challenge for Yeng Yao. Samantala, si Chris Bolado has checked in to the ball game. Pinalta niya si Kirby Raimundo. Tanpua is also here. Bernard Tanpua.
So maraming mga bagong player at maganda rin ang ginagawa nitong dalawang coaches. They know that this is going to be a long, grueling grind.
2
Eto,
seconds remaining.
to go.
Corion. Wala. Malakas yung tirang yon. At pababayaan na lamang ni Veron Meneses sa bola. And Barangay Ginebra takes a 1-point lead pagkatapos ng unang 12 minuto ng laban na ito. Magbabalik po ang aksyon sa Bayan ng Superstars sa ilang sandali.